The Kentucky Supreme Court heard two cases today regarding separation of powers between the governor, the constitutional officers, and the General Assembly.
It comes after lower court rulings on cases regarding the makeup of the Executive Branch Ethics Commission and the State Fair Board, who can appoint its members. WKYT's Phil Pendleton sat in on the arguments at the University of Kentucky Law School and tells us more about what was said before the court.
This court is now in session.
Lawyers for the Attorney General, who are also representing the other Republican constitutional office holders, argue that Governor Beshear should not have the power to appoint either all or the majority of members to various boards.
It is the Executive Branch Ethics Commission, not the Governor's Ethics Commission.
The issue comes before the Supreme Court after several laws passed by the General Assembly. In the case of the State Fair Board, lawmakers voted to give Ag Commissioner Jonathan Schell a say on who gets appointed. But the governor's office sued, and it made its way to the highest court.
Violates those express commands by making the Commissioner of Agriculture the supreme executive power over the State Fair Board.
The arguments heard today deal specifically with the Ethics Commission and the State Fair Board, but justices even said that it could have a precedent set that would possibly impact a total of 28 boards across the state of Kentucky. Governor Beshear spokesman Scotty Ellis released a statement after the argument saying Beshear should have every authority as every other governor before him, and the Attorney General's actions would render sections of the Constitution meaningless and take away voters' choices. Russell Coleman spoke with reporters after the arguments and said the governor doesn't like laws passed by the General Assembly.
Now, the governor has spent the last 5 years spending your tax dollars to fight these laws. The governor uses litigation, this governor uses litigation as a second veto.
Coleman says Governor Beshear wants to pack the Ethics Commission that has direct authority over its every action. The governor's lawyers say the General Assembly is preventing the governor from doing his job. In Lexington, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.
And the Supreme Court did not issue any rulings today, and typically it takes several months before they do.